2023 Toyota Sequoia. Starting at $53,000 est. Overview. The Toyota Sequoia has always been a full-size, three-row SUV based on the platform of the Tundra pickup truck. That doesn't change with the new generation arriving for the 2023 model year. The rest does. The new model is far more modern than the outdated second-generation Sequoia it replaces, which has been around for more than a decade. The new Sequoia comes standard with the Tundra's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which combines a 3.4-liter V6 engine with an electric motor for a total of 437 horsepower. Inside, it offers a large touchscreen with the latest software, along with a spacious cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. This should make the Sequoia more competitive with rivals such as the Chevy Tahoe and Ford Expedition. What's new for 2023? The Sequoia has been redesigned for 2023 and rides on the same underpinnings as the new Tundra, Land Cruiser, and the Lexus LX 600. It's available only as a hybrid and features a new look inside and out. Pricing and which one to buy. SR5. $53,000, est. TRD Sport. $55,000, est. Limited. $62,000, est. TRD Pro. $67,000, est. Platinum. $69,000, est. While Toyota has not yet released pricing, we think the Limited will likely be the best value in the lineup. It comes with a larger touchscreen, a power liftgate, heated and cooled front seats, and a power folding third row. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Sequoia comes standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain that's optional in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is comprised of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that produce a total of 437 HP and 583 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra's 10-speed automatic transmission carries over to the Sequoia SUV as well. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with four-wheel drive optional on most versions and standard on the off-road-oriented TRD Pro model. The TRD Pro also comes with off-road equipment such as upgraded shocks, a front skid plate, a locking rear differential, and different 18-inch wheels. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't yet released fuel economy numbers for the Sequoia, nor for its Tundra hybrid pickup sibling. But we don't think the Sequoia hybrid will offer a huge fuel efficiency boost over the Tundra's non-hybrid powertrain, which is rated at up to 20 mpg combined. When we get our hands on the Sequoia, we'll run it on our real-world 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test. For more information about the Sequoia's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Sequoia's large and spacious interior continues in this new generation, with a third row of seats as standard equipment. A second-row bench setup with 8-passenger capacity is standard, with optional second-row captain's chairs reducing the number of seats to 7. With a wide range of trim levels available, the interior trimmings run the gamut from cloth to leather upholstery and varying levels of wood and chrome trim as you walk up the price ladder. Higher trim levels offer features including heated and cooled second-row seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium stereo system. Infotainment and connectivity. The old Sequoia's dated touchscreen setup has been swapped out for the large 14.0-inch touchscreen found in the Tundra. This screen comes standard on all but the base SR5 and will use Toyota's latest infotainment software, which offers all manner of smartphone mirroring and other connectivity options including a Wi-Fi hotspot and various music streaming options. Safety and driver assistance features. All of the Sequoia's available driver assistance features come standard across the board. For more information about the Sequoia's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, Warranty and maintenance coverage. Toyota's limited and powertrain warranties are similar to many of the Sequoia's full-size SUV competitors. However, Toyota does offer complimentary scheduled maintenance as a nice bonus. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles.